push the plug in and rotate. It's okay. It's steady, and then rotation the gas adjust switch. Okay, the fire is out. And press the safety lock. Okay, you can use it without pressing this button. And this can also adjust the flame shape. This is the soft fire and the speed fire. The soft fire always using in kitchen for some professional chef to make some creme brulee and other dessert. And this speed fire always using in many other outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and some picnic. Okay. Of course, it can use upside down. It's also the fire is also steady. You can free rotation it and let close it. Okay. So this model is more safe and more convenient to use. The gas will not leak, and so it is a recycle use. You can save many gas.